Young Blizzard. Young Blizzard. What? Wow. Let's go. All I wanna do is put it down on you. Look, every time we meet, look like every time I eat. Looking every time we meet, look like every time you speak. Then I kiss you on your cheek. Then you wanna eat so free. You a beast in the sheets. There was something I could say when we first met. We will fuck off Marvin Gaye. Something to say, something to do, you something to do, you something to prove. And I say, whatever you do, baby girl, you ain't got nothing to prove. And I promise you, if you anything, in any weather, we walk so far, our toes are bleeding. In the weather, now this Maserati, this some new business. We coming through the hood, it's in her business. What? Shit. You say your old man ain't shit. You say your old man a bitch. You come around with blends of bleach. Man, I put on some real nigga shit. Some niggas they call me weenie. In the streets, I'm real conceited. Nigga play with me unless this motherfucking block is bleeding. But I wanna be talking about you. I mean me and you. And every time we meet, cause you had me so confused. My gratitude, my attitude probably was gonna get attitude if you get out of line with you. What's up, call it? Let me tell you shit. But I'm a generous into my intenderness. Man, I'm so fucked up with it. But you got me so up with it. When I'm down, you around. In that thing, in that trick, when it rains, you that one. I don't know too. I can't really complain. Hey man, this is for y'all, man. This is for y'all. Let's go with it. Young Jay, I need it. Anybody be free? I'm a motherfucking dog, Young Blizzard. My world too. We can play banana here. So y'all can hate it. Little bitch. Beatz. In a lot of come on.